Hi there, today I'm going to show you how to put your Canon Pixma TS3150 into quiet mode. Now, putting it into quiet mode reduces the amount of noise your printer makes when doing normal procedures and printing, so if you've got it running at night, just want to keep it down for the kids or whatever, I'd recommend giving it a go. However, it is worth noting that putting it into quiet mode does affect the operating speed of the machine, so if efficiency is more important than noise to you, I'd recommend leaving it as it is. But I will also show you how to disable quiet mode if you're valuing efficiency over noise. But here we go. With the machine turned on, all we're going to do is press the setup button here, which changes the number shown on the screen. We're going to press it until 12 is selected. Okay, so with 12 there, if we want to turn on quiet mode, we then press the color button, and if we want to disable quiet mode, we press the black button. I'm going to turn it on, so here we go. This will take your printer just a second, and when 0 is displayed again, you're in quiet mode. And it's as simple as that. If you've appreciated this video, please do let me know with a like. If there's anything else we can help with, please do let me know down in those comments. Otherwise, thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time. Take care. Bye-bye.